Hi guys. You know the deal, another weekly vlog. I kind of messed up today and I didn't start recording until literally right now. It's like 6 p.m. It's the end of the day, but I had a really productive day already. I am like very proud of myself. This is probably like the most productive day I've had in a really long time. I am trying to get back on a routine just of like working out, being productive, actually getting shit done, like putting things on my to-do list and actually doing them. Like, wow, what a concept. I do that all the time and then I just end up like pushing things off. But I did my whole planning schedule of what I need to accomplish this week. I did that last night just as I was watching TV, and like I said in my last video, I try to break things up of like, if I have something due on Thursday, I will do a little bit every single day in order to reach that Thursday goal. And so I was just planning out my entire week. It's all planned out. I have everything done on my to-do list for today except working out. And so that is what we're gonna do. I have my yoga mat out and I'm about to throw on a little workout. I do Move with Nicole. I just do like online YouTube workouts. I find that they're one, free. I'm not trying to spend money on like a gym membership right now. And it's actually really effective. You guys know I really love Pilates. I've been really enjoying it. And it's just easy to like put my mat out and just do a little workout right after work. So that is the one thing that I have left to do on my list, and I don't want to let this day go without doing it. It's Monday, if I didn't say that, but I am gonna watch Bachelor later, obviously, or Bachelorette. Not that I'm excited about this season. If you guys saw my Instagram post, I did like a whole like recap of like my charcuterie board, and I was talking about my thoughts on the Bachelorette. I just like, I don't know, you guys, and let me know what you think, but any of you guys watch The Bachelorette, I personally am not in love with this season. I don't know if it's Katie, which I don't blame her. I don't know if it's her. I don't know if it's the editing. I think it's a mix of the both, and then it's also her stylist. Her stylist has been doing her dirty this season, like so dirty. Oh my gosh, I'm not even gonna get into it because poor girl, but oh my god, they need to hire somebody else because her outfits have not been it this season. I feel so bad. Because I just can like think back to JoJo or other Bachelorettes where like they looked amazing, like they looked bomb. But I don't know, the stylist this season has not been doing a good job. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking, procrastinating, and I'm gonna do my workout.
And I wish I believed that that was true. Sometimes I wonder if we meant to be. I guess that we gon' see. I ask myself, I wonder if I wanted too much. Overthinking might have been the clouds would have done to get us down. I don't know. You know my daddy wasn't around to make my mama smile for excuses. But honestly, I don't know why I still use them. I told myself I would not lie in the music. Cause I usually keep my fist down on the low. Put my diamonds inside the choke. Don't wanna see it go, but I'm scared if I open up, you'll walk away.
Okay, it's Tuesday. I just finished filming a little makeup look. I need to clean this entire mess up, but me and Tyler are gonna go pick up some poke for lunch. I'm so excited. So that's what we're gonna do. It is so hot. We're like running the AC, the fan, literally every single cooling device. But now it's just time for a drink. We just realized it's too hot. We need a drink, so I'm gonna make a little gin and tonic for us. There's no really recipe to this. If you don't know how to make a gin and tonic, just really listen to the name of the drink. It's literally gin and tonic, like nothing else. I usually also like to add a little bit of lime. Tyler says it's optional, but I personally feel like lime is like essential. But we don't have any, so we're just gonna go with what we have. We have the gin. This is just the number 10 Tanqueray. This is like a special bottle. So we're gonna use that. Do we have tonic water anywhere? Whoa, careful. It's okay. Big booty bitch ain't little booty bitch. It's a hot girl summer now. Pop your shit. Hey, it's working. Hold. All right. Gin. Make it a little strong. Whoa.
That's what the garnish is for. It hits your nose when you drink it.
Oh. Fancy.
You've never noticed that? Have you ever seen like a good drink? You're like, ooh, I can smell the lemon.
No, I just drink it.
Give it a sniff. Oh. Oh.
Oh.
Okay.
I see what you mean. I see. Oh, cheers. Oh. The best gin and tonic I've ever had. All right, guys. I am going to cook some lunch for me and Tyler, and I thought that I would just show you guys the recipe that I'm doing. I used to follow this recipe from Damn Delicious, but I don't know what's happening with their site. It must be down right now, but basically I'm going to be making lettuce wraps. I feel like this is like a very easy, like one of like my go-to lunches when I just want to make something really good and have leftovers, but also isn't too hard. I actually also have, now that I just remembered, I do have her cookbook, and these recipes in here, you guys, are literally so easy. Like, I love to eat personally, and I'm really blessed to be with Tyler, who is someone who loves to cook. And so just being with him, I have not felt the need to cook that much just because he loves to do it, and I would rather let someone else cook if they want to cook. I will cook if I have to. Like, if I need to eat, I will cook something, but if I don't have to, like, I don't want to cook. I don't want to clean up. I don't want to do all of that. But I actually just found the recipe in here, actually. So I will link this book down below. Again, like I said, you guys, this cookbook, and this is also my gripe with cookbooks, because I feel like they're too difficult. It's too many like random things that you will only use once for that one recipe, and it's just not realistic in my opinion. Like, most cookbooks are just like a little bit too out there, a little too niche, and this one is just like literally basic foods, easy, like anyone can make this stuff, like strawberry pineapple margarita, you know, like really yummy stuff, zucchini tots, Parmesan crisps. Like, this book, I feel like if you are trying to cook more or you're trying to like master your skills, I feel like you should get this and just kind of nail down everything in here. They have like Asian garlic noodles. This is kind of just like go-to recipes that are really basic, but like if you master this, you can really cook anything. But they have this recipe in here, so I'm gonna do, this is chicken lettuce wraps, but I'm gonna do ground turkey. So this is great because the online recipe was not working for some reason. I don't know why. But I've actually made this recipe like, I don't know, maybe like 10 times, but I still look at like the steps. I don't know what it is about me. Like, I can cook something so many times and like it tastes bomb, but I have to just like check the recipe and follow it. I don't know. It's very weird. So I'm going to prep all my stuff. Again, this is like the easiest thing ever, but I wanted to share it with you guys just in case if you needed like some inspiration on like what to cook, or your current like meals are not inspiring you anymore, or you're not excited about them. I feel like I sometimes get into a rut with cooking. Obviously right now I haven't been doing it that much. But sometimes I get into a rut of cooking, especially if I like eat the same thing every single week. It just gets boring. And yeah, so lettuce wraps are like one of those meals that are just like so good. Like, they're so good. So I'm gonna make this. I'm actually off today. I kind of fell off the wagon on vlogging, but I still wanted to show you guys like healthy stuff and, you know, whatever. And I need to work out today because I am off. I have a bunch of errands to do. but I'm trying to be healthy. I'm trying to work out, even though I haven't done it for the past 2 days. I told myself I was going to work out all week. LOL. That didn't happen. And I thought about just like, you know what, like, let me restart this vlog. I'm going to like actually work out every single week. But honestly, I was like, you know what? No, I'm going to show you the reality of, yes, like I am very like driven in the fact that like I do want to make working out a part of my daily life and actually like do it every day, make it a lifestyle. But at the same time, like there are weeks when I just like, you know, I screw up and I don't work out, and I may set a goal for myself. I'm gonna work out every single day, and then I don't do it. But it's all about like balance and like making sure that like you make up for it in other ways, whether it's like not ordering out like Postmates, or maybe making like a really healthy lunch, or going on a walk. There's different ways to work out, and there's different ways to eat healthy. Eating healthy is not like having salads and drinking smoothies like every single day. Like, no. Sometimes maybe eating healthy to you is not ordering out and eating what you have at home. Maybe working out to you is going on a walk, you know? Like there's different forms, and I feel like, I don't know, like the YouTube community or landscape sometimes like romanticizes like healthy vlogs and workout vlogs and eating healthy, and it's like, okay, but do you actually do that, or are you just doing it for the video? You know, like I definitely I was guilty of that. Like I feel like maybe like 2 years ago, where I would like make what I eat in the days and literally like curate what I eat. But now I'm just like, if I'm going to show you what I'm going to eat in a day, it's going to be realistic. Sometimes it's going to be pizza. Sometimes it'll be a salad. Like, who knows? Sometimes it'll be a really shitty smoothie that I, for some reason, have not been able to master smoothies. You know what? That is honestly, now that we're talking about the smoothie thing, I'm actually really upset, you guys, that I have not been able to make a good smoothie. I don't know what it is. I've tried all of your guys' tips that you've given me, and for some reason, it's not hitting. It is not hitting. That smoothie, I don't know if it's the blender. I really don't know. I think I need to take like a week of just like, I'm going to buy a bunch of fruit and a bunch of different like milks, or like almond milk or oat milk or whatever, and just try different consistencies with ice, without ice, with bananas, and just master it. I need to have like a smoothie masterclass for a week. I think that's what I need to do. Because I would love to have a smoothie every single day, but the smoothies I've been making have not been it. But anyways, that's my little rant on being healthy. I'm going to chop up these garlic and onion. I may cry, so I may put it in the food processor or have Tyler come cut it. But we still move. We're going to make this lettuce wrap.
She said she the one, I bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan, cold. She the one, bet she thinks she is. Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan. Shorties out here playing. Playoffs, first seed, you deserve a jersey. Hanging from the nosebleeds, all up in the rafters. This that happily ever after. No, wrong page, different chapter. She said slow down, then went faster. Wait.
Super easy, simple, and I am actually gonna have a little topo with it. A little water. Healthy lunch and water. Look at me.
Wow.
Drinking water.
Good job.
What a concept.
So difficult.
Saying don't have no trust, I don't know where you been. I need a break, on brakes. I'm on a wave, like Lake Michigan.